What's up, guys? What's up? All right, AMC. Let me turn this car off. Turn the air down. Let's have a talk. Let's have a talk. All right, AMC. What happened? What happened? I told you guys. I've been saying it. I've been saying it last couple of weeks, couple of months. I said there's going to be a massive sell-off. I said there was going to be a massive sell-off. And that's what happened. So pretty much what happened was, and I did mention it this morning that we were going to go down below this point right here. I did say we were going to go below 5, but I said 498, somewhere around there, and maybe even lower. And things happened this morning. His tweet went out saying that he's going to, they're trying to resolve some debt, so they have to convert some of the APE shares into AMC shares, and so it diluted the AMC stock. Okay, so dilution. A lot of people don't like dilution. A lot of people are against it, but you have to think. Let me say this first. A lot of people that are against it are people that bought in really high, up at 14, up in 20, up at 30s, up in the 40s. That's where a lot of people bought in, and a lot of those people don't want AMC to be diluted with APE shares, okay? And which is fine. I mean, it's understandable, because the lower this price get, the more angry people get, okay? The more upset. And some people are just like, some people just get scared and they would just sell off and take a loss. And you shouldn't really do that, because if you put money into something, just expect it being gone, okay? So the dilution is very good for me, okay? This is not financial advice, but I had a price target, and I mentioned it in some of my old videos. I had a price target. Once we get below $5, once we get below the $6 mark and we're into the $5 area, that's where I was going to buy in, okay? That's my buy-in price. But when I seen this happen, and then I Googled what was going on, and I seen he put that out about he's gonna sell the shares, sell APE shares for AMC shares, and of course it's gonna dilute it. I'm thinking like, okay, everybody else is probably going to get scared, and they don't want dilution, and the stock is going to drop. I'm going to buy in, because my buy-in price bracket was in the below the $6 mark, in the $5 area. But when we got down here and it went to like 4, I jumped on that so quickly. I jumped on that. I missed this part because I was busy working, and I bought in, and it kind of raised up a little bit. I bought in, and for me, even it's at this point right here, is for me personally, it's not financial advice. Anything above under $5 is definitely a buy-in. Anything in the $5 area is a buy-in also for me. This is even more. If it ever comes back down to here, if it ever comes back down to this $3 mark, I'm going to load the boat. I'm going to load up. I'm going to load up. And I'm going to load up, okay? I'm just like so excited this came, because it's been a very long time since AMC been to this point. Now, I did say I have an old video that I posted up like earlier, way earlier in the year, and I made this chart showing where I think AMC was headed, and where I said I said hold on, I'm trying to get my words together. I said where AMC is headed and where I think it needs to go before a squeeze happens. I made a graph. Matter of fact, I'm just going to show you. This is it. So I made this. I'm going to show you when I made this. Let's go to details. So if you see up here, March 7th, 2020, I made this, and I talked about it on one of my old videos in March, okay? In March 07. And I did say, this is where I think AMC needs to be before it squeezes, okay? Now, keep in mind, the COVID happened, things happened, then APE was introduced, so of course it's going to change these numbers, right? you just cut these numbers in half, okay? Just $9. You might as well just cut to like $4.50, okay? So I made this point right here. I said, I think we need to get all the way back over here before the shorts start to cover. Because think about it. Shorts want to cover at the lowest price possible. So that's what we see, my opinion. This is what we seen today. We seen a dilution with APE, and then some of the shorts started covering. Like they started covering, they can't pass that up. They cannot pass that up. So if that ever happens again, me personally, I'm going to load up again because I know it's going to ride up. Now, did I take profit? No, I'm not going to take any profit. Let's go over here and look at it real quick. Let's see. Am I still logged in? Let me log in. Come on. Okay. So, did I take profit? No, I didn't take profit. I actually sold some shares that I had on Robinhood because it's quicker to do it that way, because I knew I was going to be in profit. I already knew it. So I sold some shares of other stocks, and I bought 64 shares of AMC. My average cost is $4.17. Keep in mind, I seen this around when this was happening, and I bought in, and then it shot down even more. I wish I would have seen that $3 mark, because I would have definitely loaded up on that. But I have more shares on another platform, but I do have 64 over here. It's not a lot, but it's enough. And total return is only $29, but it was up higher than that, okay? For me, that's good. I don't care if this go back down. If it goes back down, I'm loading up, no doubt. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to see this price prediction. So next time we get back over here, let me go over here and see if it's here. Okay, I pointed this area out right here. So since AMC's got that APE share is now part of AMC, watch that later. Of course, the price is going to change. So, but we're still over in this area, and I kept saying once we get closer to this part right here, the shorts is going to start covering, because that's what they want, and they really want to get to here. If they ever let it go to there, oh, I'm loaded up. But if you look back over here, the average is around, I just say about between $10 and $4. But right here, shorts wants to cover. They want to cover here. They definitely want to cover here. If it gets here, you're probably going to see, my opinion, a squeeze, okay? And we did see a small smidget of a squeeze if you bought in down here, because it's back up a little bit. We may go back up here before the day's out. I don't know. We'll see. The volume is only 36 million, and that's very low. That's very, very, very low. But if we look at APE ran, and this is what a lot of people did. A lot of people that still had APE or bought a lot, you know, they almost doubled their money if they sold up here. Now, a lot of people ran towards APE because like it's squeezing, so they ran and they bought in. They sold some more off, and keep in mind, Adam Aaron is converting some of these over. He's not going to do it all at once. He's going to probably do a little bit at a time, because he can't do all of them. He's just going to do a little bit at a time. And some people thought that this was squeezing, so they bought more, and then they sold it back off again. See the straight line? It just went down. They sold it back off now. And look at the volume down there. The volume is 110 million. So, you know, a lot of people ran over to this, which I'm not worried about APE, okay? I'm not. I got other plays. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about AMC. That's what I'm worried about. Now, is there going to be a squeeze? We don't know. But the numbers tell us there's going to be a big squeeze, okay? But we will see. This is just a smidget of what's to come. This is just now starting. And I'm so glad I bought back in down here. And remember, I had a video last year. Was it last year? Yeah, it was last year in November, where I sold all my AMC shares because I sold it like in the around $20, $27. I sold them around $27. And a lot of people were giving me flack about selling it, saying I'm not an ape. I'm not an ape. I'm in here to make money. I'm an investor. That's what I do, okay? That's what I do. I'm here to make money. I know what AMC is about. I know what the stocks is about. And I'm still learning how the manipulation goes on. And the quicker you learn that, the faster you will earn some money. You will make some money, okay? This right here, I love this price. Let it come down some more, because I'm definitely going to buy more. But I'm not going to bankrupt myself trying to buy this, because we may go through another year of it not running. Who knows? But at this price, shorts is definitely going to start covering little by little. Even if it gets back down here, they're going to cover again. This is just my thought, okay? But I got to go. Yeah, let's keep an eye on the market, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Take care.